She said, ooh.
Still waiting for the boys to get here. I think next time I'll just say, hey, let's get there at 7:30, and then they'll probably be here at 8:30. Nah, it's all good. I think Elijah had to get some oil for the gearbox, and then Ronnie, I don't know what's going on there. But I thought he would have been super excited to get his exhaust fitted. Nah, he is. He is. I'm just playing. I don't mind. They're only like 30 minutes or 35 minutes late, so still waiting on the boys. No excuse. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Lucky I love these boys. Now, they've helped me out a lot too, so this is the least I can do for them. Goes for anyone in our crew, really. You know, if you help one another out, you know, you get it back at the end of the day. So here I'm coming now. Oh.
Watch it a lot.
We can take it straight in probably. Probably need it. I was gonna say you need a hand. Yeah, I just film now.
What size is this?
3.5. 4 inch.
The whole way.
All right, Ronnie, give us the unboxing. Did you tape it back up?
Yeah, I did. I did a job. I opened it and then I put it back.
At least it was yours though.
So here's my optional X-Force tips,
Oh, they give you tips with it as well.
but I'm not going to use them.
Oh, what are we gonna run today?
4-inch cannon.
A 4-inch cannon?
This is a weld-on tip, like you cut where you
Oh,
want
you've got
to
a-
weld it on. But it's stock 4-inch cannon.
Wow.
I should probably wrap that back up. I'd probably sell it. That's mid. This is my tap part. So that's the 2-bolt flange for the stock.
Oh yeah, and X-Force only uses X-Force.
3-bolt flange. That's why we can't bolt the dump up.
Yeah.
It needs to be like actually welded in.
So we just do a cat back today.
This is what we can bolt in. You gotta weld it on. You don't. Just drive with that on. Don't scratch the tips, man. These are my 4-inch cannon.
Oh.
That's what I'm keeping.
Forever. You're not even going to put the tips on.
What's wrong with this? No, I want custom tips made. Like lobster duck weld tips. Is that what you're doing? How am I supposed to copy?
I'm doing it
you? Don't
too.
tell me.
I'm doing it too.
You're like, I don't want to tell anyone what I'm doing. And then so I...
Yeah, because everyone's always like, yeah, it's a good idea. I'm going to do that too.
Or you just don't tell us and then we just do it ourselves. And you're like...
She told me that she love how it sound, yeah. Feel like I'm on drugs when she round, yeah. You been messing with them scrubs in your town.
The boys have gone to get some new bolts because he ran into a bit of an issue with one of the flanges. It just it pretty much like squeezed the bolt out, like it just destroyed the bolt. So we're just gonna drill them out and put some bolts in there. So that one just there, just totally stripped out. But we have got the cat back off. So that's off now, and we're ready to fit up the new one. Pretty easy. It's a good thing about these pre-made X-Force systems is that they're just super easy to fit. As long as you've got some basic tools, you can do it yourself. So that's the old exhaust system. It has had a muffler delete. The old tiny little system. Compare the differences. So that's the difference there, fair bit. So this is a 4-inch FG system. Because the biggest thing with these Barra motors is getting them to flow. They'll keep making power all day long as long as you can get the gas in and gas out. and they'll just keep making power as long as you can flow it through quick enough. I don't know if any of you saw Ronnie's old ute, basically a wagon. That was his Instagram tag. Awesome looking ute. Unfortunately, it had a bit of a mishap, then ended up in having it written off. So this is the new one here, No Fame. Gonna be his new build. We're just focusing on power right now, and then we'll do the looks after. Zippy little car.
I was like, my seatbelt doesn't work, so you can't wear a seatbelt.
We both hopped in the car at the same time and our shoulders like took it in the middle.
You got your exhaust hanger on there.